Hi, I'm Amanda with Once in a Wild, and this is R2D2, the Budgie. The word Budgie is short for budgerigard, and this is a type of parakeet. They are commonly seen throughout the continent of Australia. Budgies are in the parrot family, and they have features that actually classify them as a parrot, including their hooked bill, which is specialized for eating seeds and nuts, and also their zygodactyl feet, which have 2 toes in the front and 2 toes in the back. Parrots are very good climbers because of their strong beaks as well as their toe placement. They can mimic human speech, and it sounds very similar to a real-life person talking. We hope you have enjoyed learning all about R2D2, the Budgie, today, and we hope to see you next time here at Once in a Wild. Bye! So teeny tiny.